guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I am so excited to be back and shooting YouTube videos. Like, I've been away for like a couple of months now. The last time I uploaded a video, I think it was around Christmas time last year, so it's been months, but that's a story for another day. So in today's video, I just want to quickly share with you guys my go-to everyday, eyebrow tutorial. I'm one of those people who like, a simple eyebrow, more like natural look. I don't like, dramatic eyebrows where you're drawing them and, so I like to keep them as natural as, as possible. So if this is the kind of video you will like and you want to continue watching, please do watch and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. So this is what you're gonna need. You will need a spoolie brush. My spoolie brush also have a brush at the back, which I'm gonna use for contouring and shaping the eyebrow. You're also gonna need like your concealer. This is a MAC concealer. I don't know, it's a NC45, so if you're my shade, I don't know if you can see my shade. It's NC45 Studio Finish concealer. And you're also gonna need an old, mascara brush. So it's not that old, but most of the product inside, like, it's gone, so it won't make my eyebrows look like super dark. So these are the three things you're gonna need. You might also need like a sponge just to blend the concealer out, but I normally prefer to blend with my fingers, because I feel like my fingers do a better job. But yeah, so this is how I do my eyebrows. This is how they look right now. Okay, before we go any further, I've just realized that they have grown a little bit here, so I'll start by trimming them a little bit in the corners. So I'll just trim them a little bit in the corners. I firstly brush them up. I always trim my eyebrows like maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. It's just a little bit. They don't grow that quickly. Just the corners, so that everything looks nice and clean. Down the side. Okay, there was not much this side. Yeah, just clean out this. And that's pretty much it. So you brush them up with your spoolie brush. And then I'm gonna go in with the old mascara brush. Let me come closer. And then you just brush your eyebrows. They will tend just a little bit black because this is a black, mascara brush. But make sure that you're not doing too much, so that they stay, in their natural black. As you can see, I'm sure you can see that, like the difference between this eyebrow and the one that I haven't done. And then quickly go to the next. Okay, now I'm done with this mascara brush. I'm gonna go back with my spirit brush and my concealer. So brush them up again. You know, the mascara brush, because it's old, you will see some, you know, dark, I don't want to call it, some dark fluff, you know, flying off your lashes. Don't mind it, you will clean it off with the brush later on. So you nicely shape them with the spirit brush. Can you see the difference, guys? And then you do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now you can just use a bit of the concealer, not too much, because you're not really cleaning, you know, like anything besides just trying to, you know, shape them nicely, because we didn't draw anything here. We didn't use like liners or anything like that. So we are pretty much just, you know, shaping them just nicely. Can you see the difference? And then I didn't put much concealer, as you can see, like you don't need that much concealer. I don't usually put it on top. I just clean with my little finger, and then I come down at the bottom. I clean again with the little finger. If you want, you can just blend everything and clean out with your sponge, and then pretty much done. And then you come to the next eyebrow. Oh, sorry. You do exactly the same. Not a lot of concealer, just enough to do the job. And then again, you just clean out the top with your little finger, and you blend the bottom with your little finger as well. I use this little finger because I think it's the most gentle finger out of all the fingers. So you just blend everything out. And that's it. Look at how nice they look. Nice, simple, natural looking eyebrows. All day, every day. That's it, guys. So thank you guys for checking this video out. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. See you in my next video.